I'm here with Jeremy Burkhardt, who's president of SpeakerCraft. You've got a world premiere here for us in Denver in 2007, which is actually destined for the European market. Maybe you can give us some details about that.
Sure. In studying the European market, we found that architectural speakers are in high demand, but due to the construction restraints of shallow depths and different types of construction, from brick to masonry walls to solid cedar type construction, and
200-year-old walls that are
200-year-old walls, everything.
500-year-old walls out there, they're completely stone. It's really difficult to knock into those, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's hard to put speakers into existing areas. So over the summer, I did some studying in Europe in various European countries, from Switzerland to France to Sweden and England and all over the place.
Sounds like a nice trip.
Well, it was nice. It was
a
beautiful.
Good reason.
Yeah, absolutely. But we came to the conclusion that the biggest hindrance in doing installation into those areas is the depth of the product. So we've come out with several new products, two of which are only 50 millimeters deep. So you can cut a hole and mount the speaker in a very shallow 50 millimeter depth. And what's interesting about the new AccuFit Ultra Slim is you have two woofers as well as two mid-range and then a tweeter, and it's a ported enclosure, so you get a lot of bass out of this product.
Two woofers, two mid-ranges, and a tweeter, all in one little...
One enclosed 50 millimeter deep enclosure. So it's a pretty neat way to do it. And then we have other models in the line, two of which play stereo out of one speaker, and then the other two are a pair of stereo speakers. So it's a rather broad line just designed for the European market, and the acceptance has already been amazing. We have hundreds of pair that are on back order, and we're continuing to write orders as the day goes on. As you can see, the show's very busy.
Very, very busy. Why don't you give our readers and viewers a little bit of background about SpeakerCraft? They may not know that much because you're an American company. You've been around for 30 years, but maybe not so much throughout Europe.
Sure.
Up until now.
Sure.
Up until now, because that's going to make a lot of noise.
Yeah, this will make an installer's life a little bit easier, and that's where SpeakerCraft comes from. We're actual custom installers. In 1993, we decided that we wanted to enter into the custom installation market, and we launched the SpeakerCraft brand at CEDIA in 1994. But prior to that, we'd actually invented the in-wall speaker. We were the first company in the world to mount a speaker flush mount behind drywall, and we made the product for many companies: Niles, Polk, JBL, Bang & Olufsen, and many others. And so we were an OEM, and we took the step to say, you know what, we don't want to be an OEM anymore. We want to actually go out and introduce product to the dealers market and service dealers. So if you look at us, we look a little bit different than the rest of the manufacturers. It's because we climb around on ladders, and we actually are the custom installers that we represent.
Okay, you've got about 1,000 products in your catalog. We can't do them all here at CEDIA, but you've got another world premiere on the other side of the show. Maybe you can go and give us a demonstration over there too?
Sure.
Okay, thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you. Appreciate it, Bob.